Let's do this one last time. My name is Shari Sarkar. I was bitten by a radioactive spider, and for the last 2 years, I've been the one and only Spider-Man. Okay, maybe I'm not Spider-Man, but what if we could have powers like superhuman strength or self-healing? What if we could rewrite the code of life without getting bit by a radioactive spider? All organisms have cells, the smallest unit of life. Each cell contains DNA, a double-stranded molecule that has patterns of 4 bases to code for traits like eye color or height. A short section of DNA is known as a gene. We can edit or change some of these genes thanks to a tool called CRISPR. CRISPR is a portion of a bacteria's DNA with repeating and spacer sequences. The repeating sequences are palindromic. The spacer sequences contain captured DNA from viruses that have attacked the bacteria. But how does it work? When a virus infects a bacteria, it sometimes tries to fuse its DNA with the bacterial DNA, causing the bacteria to produce more viruses. Luckily, CRISPR spacer sequences recognize and defeat previously encountered viruses. CRISPR carries out 2 actions to do this. It creates a protein known as Cas9, and its spacer sequences are transcribed into RNA. RNA is a single-stranded molecule that creates and manages proteins. This RNA, or guide RNA, joins with Cas9, and together they travel to the virus's DNA in the bacteria. Guide RNA checks to see if its sequence matches the virus's. Once the matching sequence is found, Cas9 cuts out that section of DNA, acting like a pair of scissors. The bacteria's cell then can repair its DNA. But what does this have to do with rewriting the code of life? In 2012, biochemist Jennifer Doudna published a paper about her findings on the CRISPR-Cas9 system. She suggested that it could be used to edit human genes, sparking a lot of controversy. On one hand, CRISPR can cure deadly genetic disorders like sickle cell disease, but on the other, if it is misused, it can forever change the diversity of our world. Even though we're far from having superpowers, CRISPR is a fascinating technology. As we continue to learn more about it, maybe we can take some advice from Spider-Man. With great power comes great responsibility.